Hey, my name is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly create AI animate video using free method. So if you are beginner, don't worry, keep watch full video, don't skip any second because every second are very important. So at first, I'm going to runwaymall.com. It's absolutely free. Just put your Gmail, then you got 3 plan for free. Otherwise, you need to pro plan. I recommend you log in for free. Just click generate video. Then I need a text to a video. Just click second option. Just click here. Then you need to write any prompt. I have a prompt. Click here. Then you can write any prompt. This doesn't matter. So just if you have a picture, just click for upload here. So I don't need. Just click generate. Please wait few seconds. This video is processing. If you are highly interested to learn about this type of AI, chat GPT and any other thing, please subscribe my channel and turn on a notification bell. Then my video are ready. So if you are not satisfied this result, just click for edit your right option. Example of cinematic, this one. Just extract this tool create for you a realistic video. This is my video. Wow, this is really nice. So I download this video. Just click for number 1 button and download. You can see wow, this is really nice. So if I want to create others video, just click for here the lots of option. Example of remove background, text to image, text image to image, then train your own generation. So just click here, write a moon realistic view. Just click generate. Then I will wait few seconds for a result. Wow, my video are ready. Then I want to click for download. So if you are not satisfied this result, just edit your right. Then this tool create again for you. Just click here. Wow, nice. So if you want to more video about this topic, subscribe my channel and turn on notification bell. Thank you. See you again.